Hello, welcome back to MarineMax Gulf Shores. My name is Dwayne Diggs, and today we're going to be taking a brief look at Grady-White 2018 236 Fisherman. As you can see, this Grady, like all other Gradys, sport the legendary CV2 hull with the wide flare on it. 23-foot boat, which is a sea glass green sides with the T-top underside that matches the outside of your boat. As you come along the side, you see how high these gunnels are, and a matching white 300 Yamaha. This boat is laid out for a small boat like all other Grady's, attention to detail and a soft ride. As we climb aboard this boat, you can see your helm area is laid out perfectly for that fishing family. Transom seat, your live well, and your fish box. As we walk to the front of the boat, you can see your backrests. It's laid out beautifully. For a more detailed viewing of this boat and any of our other Grady's here in Gulf Shores, Alabama, come see me, Dwayne Diggs. Thank you.